What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently we're sitting at 89 cents. We're up 2.4 on the day. Seeing market cap of 8.54 billion. 24-hour volume 866 million. We are currently in a Matic trade that we've been in for a while here. So this could be a wave one to the upside. We have a nice 5-wave move. It's a bit choppy, so it could be leading diagonal. But if we do pull back from here, like a nice little ABC correction, see how we're coming down here. We have hit the minimum target, so there is always the chance of bouncing from there. But I think Ethereum will pull back a little bit more, and it would allow Matic to come down to that wave 2 zone in between 78 cents and 83 cents, which could offer another trade opportunity before bouncing back to the upside. Taking a look at the weekly chart, it looks really good on the weekly. See how we're consolidating right above the 55 EMA, which is this blue line here. So in a month or so, you'll see that bullish cross of the 20 over the 55, which is a massive bullish sign on the weekly chart. And we basically have a nice bull pennant pattern here on the weekly. So if this can break out, then what you would do is take a measurement of that flagpole, take it to the point of breakout. Ooh, and eventually it will take time. That pattern could take Matic all the way up to $1.37. So do watch that on the weekly, but it's looking really good. This consolidation is exactly what you want to see on the weekly chart. All right, gang. So Ethereum, there's a couple of scenarios. This could be the 5-wave move, and now you're going through an ABC correction, and the wave B will be overshooting. I do think we're going to pull back and at least retest this falling wedge before seeing continuation to the upside. The other scenario is that this was the completion of the wave 1. It only looks like 3 waves up to me, but if you want it to be like one, like a really small wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, and that's a completion of a wave 1. That was your wave 2 pullback right there. And right now you're putting in the wave 3 to the upside. So basically what you would look at is that's your wave 1 impulse, and then this would be like a wave 2 correction of the larger wave 3. Either way, and then you would see that continuation to the upside. Either way, I do think there will be continuation to the upside. That's a higher probability in my opinion. Of course, anything can happen. So either an overshooting wave B, but if we get quite the impulse, then we could be going through the larger wave 3 here in yellow. It is a possibility. All right, guys. If we look at our next chart on the daily, looking really good. I talked about us pushing to this resistance here at about 2,500. I do think that's likely before seeing that larger pullback, but we have to be careful here. If that RSI crosses the 50 line of this bearish divergence, it can be a signal that the impulse is over and you're going to start to correct. But we haven't crossed the 50 line just yet, so I think there's a decent chance we at least push up to about 2,500. So that's what I'm looking at. A little bit more pullback into this wave 2 pullback zone before continuation for Matic. Maybe I'll give a long entry signal. We already are in a Matic trade, but if I see another opportunity, I'll drop a signal for my members. We're in 4 trades right now. You can gain free access to my trade signals by signing up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. $100, $20, my subscribers only. Send me an email after that first deposit, and I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. As I mentioned, we're in 4 trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, my Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, my huddle all plays, all in one place. With a sign up and deposit to Bitfinex plus that 20% bonus. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.